Hello world and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be redoing my pre-fillers for my snorkel because they went black when I've sprayed them with spray oil. I've got a new oil direct from the company that makes them. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers. Yeah. These are Unifilters in a pack of 3, and when I went up to the Cape I used 2 of them. That's one of the new ones, so that's the colour it is. I like them to be red colour because you can see the dirt on them, and when they're dirty you change them. But when I used this, which is foam filter oil, they went black, and that's there. So you know, they look dirty even when they're clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean them, and I just received that an hour ago, and it's the oil from Unifilter. Can't buy it in Townsville anywhere. I tried and tried, and it wasn't cheap. So yeah, I'm going to open it up and show you and tell you how much it is. And then I won't show you me clean them. You clean them with turps, of course. It's turps. They're pretty clean. They just need to get rid of that old oil. So I'll clean them up, dry them out, and then I'm going to I'll show you what the oil I'm using over there. So I'll do that now. Okay. I wasn't going to do them, but then I like the look of the red colour. So this with delivery cost me $56.70. So it was $29.91. Freight was $21.64. GST was $5.15, which adds up to $56.70, and that's the invoice there. So for a little bit of oil I got, it's a bit expensive, but I'm not going to be using that much, so hopefully it'll last me a while. And I don't normally use them all the time, but I want to have them ready next time I go. So that's it there. It's called Unifilter. Filter Fix Foam Air Filter Treatment for servicing polyurethane foam air filter elements. So I'm hoping that is what they recommend. That'll keep it red, they said. And it's a litre bottle. I could have got a half a litre. Wasn't that much cheaper. So I'm going to be using that. As I said, I'm not going to show you me cleaning them. I'll just show you the result after I'm finished. Yeah, they ended up pretty clean. I'm just going to let them dry. Probably for a couple of days, a day at least anyway. Before I put some oil on. They're still dripping kerosene, even though I squeezed them out. So yeah. Well, if I read the instructions on the side, it says to pour some in a bag. So it came in this bag. Should be alright. Just pour some in there. If it's enough. I'm going to get one of these, and I'm going to put some gloves on first. So I'm going to have to squeeze the oil out, excess oil out of it. So put this into there. inject it in to the filter. That's what it says to do. Work it into the filter. So there's no dry packet. Might actually pour some more oil in there. Very sticky. Okay, so that's what they said to do. So, yeah, I'm just squeezing out the oil at the moment. Geez, sticky oil. Right, no wonder it's different oil. Completely different. Okay. Wow. Sticky it is. Really sticky oil. Completely different to the spray on stuff I was using. I'll seal them up later. I'll put that one there first. Now I'll do the second one. Wow, it's really sticky oil. It's like honey. Get a bigger one. So you can get the idea. I'm just squeezing the oil into the filter everywhere. And massaging it. Feels like something. Anyway. So yeah, you massage it in and you get it to cover everything. I'll add a bit more actually. Sucked all that in. Yeah, so that looks good there now. Just gonna pull it out. And squeeze this excess oil off. Okay, that's all squeezed out. Wow, sticky. Put in this bag. Yeah, it's pretty well oiled up now, and it's like honey, the consistency of that oil, very sticky. It sucked a lot of it in, and I used probably half a litre, I suppose. A tiny bit in there, but yeah, half a litre of doing it. It's really, really sticky. It's like honey, you can see it sticky. Yeah, I'd call it the consistency of honey anyway. I had gloves on, but I couldn't do the zip up here on gloves. So yeah, I'm going to put them back in the bag now. I'm happy now that they're the right colour and the right oil I used, because the oil I used definitely wouldn't have been the correct oil. I don't mind saying I'm wrong. Yeah, they're back in there now, and they're a ready colour. So yeah, I don't mind saying I'm wrong when I'm wrong. Yeah, these Unifilters I just greased up. On a side note, I am going to squeeze them again before I use them. Now, according to the information I can get, yeah, you can never squeeze too much oil out. That's what they say. So I left them probably a little bit damp with the oil, so I am going to squeeze them before I use them. But because I'm storing them, I just wanted to keep them a bit more moist with the oil. But I'll squeeze them into those bags, and then when I use them, I'll put them back in those bags. But that's what I am going to do. Okay, well, I hope you like this video. I admit I made a mistake when I did it the first time. I cleaned them out. I'm happy to say I made a mistake, and I followed the procedure with this sticky oil from Unifilter, and it is called Filter Fix Foam Air Filter Treatment. The Filter Fix. Now, I couldn't buy it anywhere in Townsville. I tried everywhere, and no one sold it. I did click on a super cheap, and they said they had 4 litres, but when I checked, they didn't have any up here, so maybe they have it down south. Anyway, I decided I'll buy the correct oil and get it done, because I just wasn't happy with my result the first time. I made a mistake, so I'm happy to admit it. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.